Hi students, next problem, D minus 7. If alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation x squared minus 2x plus 4 equals 0, then for any n belongs to, small n belongs to capital N, show that alpha power n plus beta power n equal 2 power n plus 1 into cos n pi by t అన్ని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ మనకి గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ x squared minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. This is a second degree equation. This equation contains two roots. Given that that roots are alpha comma beta. First we find roots of the equation. First given equation is x squared minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. Directly we cannot find the roots by using formula. We find roots. X equal minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X equal minus b value minus 2 minus of minus 2 plus or minus root of b square, b value minus 2 whole square 4 minus 4 into a value ax square plus bx plus c. Compare చేసినప్పుడు a value 1 4 into 1 c value 4 by 2a 2 into a value 1 x equal 2 plus or minus root of 4 minus 16 by 2 x equal 2 plus or minus root of minus 12 by 2 x equal 2 plus or minus root of minus 12 is a imaginary value. It can be written as root of minus 12 equal root I square value minus 1. This can be written as 4 into 3 into I square. This can be written as I square, root of I square and I into root 4 into 2 into root 3. So root of minus 12 equal I into 2 into root 3 by 2. Take the common 2 in numerator. 1 plus or minus I into root 3 by 2. 2 cancel చేసేయండి. Therefore, x equal 1 plus or minus I root 3. But given that alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation, therefore one would be alpha equal 1 plus I root 3. Second root beta equal 1 minus I root 3. We prove that alpha power n plus beta power n equal 2 power n plus 1 into cos n pi by 3 అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. Now consider alpha equal 1 plus I into root 3. 1 plus I root 3 is a complex number. First write the complex number in 4R form. 4R form r into cos theta plus I sin theta. 1 plus I root 3. 1 plus I root 3 equal a plus ib. Compare this a value 1, b value root 3. Small r value root of a square plus b square formula. Theta equal a plus ib అంటే ఫస్ట్ కోఆర్డినేట్ లో ఉంటుంది. a plus ib అంటే ఫస్ట్ కోఆర్డినేట్. ఫస్ట్ కోఆర్డినేట్ లో ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఆఫ్ z అవుతుందంటే theta అవుతుంది. theta ఫార్ములా tan inverse b by a. root of a square plus b square అంటే root of 1 plus 3 root 4 అంటే 2. theta అంటే tan inverse b by a. tan inverse b by a. b value root 3 by 1. tan inverse root 3 అంటే 60 అవుతుంది. 60 అంటే 5 by 3. సో ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఆఫ్ z ఏమవుతుందంటే theta equal to pi by 3. R value 2 into cos theta pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. Next, alpha power n. Both sides apply power n. Alpha power n equal 2 power n into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 power n equal 2 power n into cos theta plus I sin theta power n. Cos theta plus I sin theta power n. Apply d minus theorem. Cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3. Take this condition as 1. Alpha power n equal. Next, now beta equal 1 minus I root 3. Write the complex number in polar form. R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Here complex number z equal 1 minus I root 3 equal a minus ib form లో ఉంది అవునా r value root of a square plus b square root of 1 plus 3 2 అవుతుంది a minus ib అంటే fourth coordinate 1 minus I root 3 ఇక్కడ యాంప్లిట్యూడ్ ఏమవుతుందంటే మైనస్ థీటా అవుతుంది ఇది a plus ib ఇక్కడ థీటా అవుతుంది యాంప్లిట్యూడ్ ఫస్ట్ కోఆర్డినేట్ లో అదే ఫోర్త్ కోఆర్డినేట్ అయితే మైనస్ థీటా అవుతుంది యాంప్లిట్యూడ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ రెండు సేమ్ మైనస్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ b by a మైనస్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ b by a root 3 by 1 మైనస్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ root 3 అంటే 60 దగ్గర అవుతుంది minus pi by 3. So beta equal 1 minus I root 3 equal R value root 2 theta cos of minus pi by 3 plus I sin of minus pi by 3. This is the polar form. Next apply power n. Beta power n equal 2 power n into cos of minus pi by 3 plus I sin of minus pi by 3 power n. 2 power n equal and 2 power n into cos theta plus I sin theta power n. Then apply d minus theorem. Cos of minus n pi by 3 plus I sin of minus n pi by 3. 2 power n into cos of minus theta, cos n pi by 3, sin of minus theta, minus sin theta, minus sin n pi by 3. Take this condition as 2. Next, adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. Alpha power n plus beta power n equal 2 power n into cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3 plus 2 power n into cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. Take common 2 power n. 2 power n common చేస్తే cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3 plus cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3 cancel. 2 power n into cos n pi by 3 plus cos n pi by 3. 2 cos n pi by 3. 2 power n into 2. 2 power n plus 1 into cos n pi by 3. So alpha power n plus beta power n equal 2 power n plus 1 into cos n pi by 3. Next, nth roots of a nth roots of a complex number. Nth roots of a complex number. Suppose z be a complex number and n be a positive integer. Then nth root of z. Then nth root of z is nth root of z. ఈ nth root of z కి ఆ z కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ అయితే nth రూట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. Then nth root z. Let nth root z equal x implies z power 1 by n equal x implies both sides power n apply చేసేయండి. Z equal x power n. Here the solutions of z equal x power n are called nth roots of a complex number. Nth roots of a complex number. Then the solutions of x power n equal z are called nth roots of a complex number. Again, z be a complex number, n be a positive number. Nth root of z, this is called nth root of z. Suppose nth root of z equal x implies z power 1 by n equal x. Both sides power apply చేసేయండి. Power n apply చేయండి. Z equal x power n. The solutions of x power n equal z are called nth roots of a complex numbers. Suppose n equal 4 తీసుకోండి. n equal 4 తీసుకుంటే fourth roots of a complex numbers అవుతుంది. అంటే fourth root of z అవుతుంది. Suppose n equal 5 తీసుకుంటే fifth root of z complex number అవుతుంది. అది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. Fourth roots of a complex numbers కావచ్చు, fifth roots of a complex numbers కావచ్చు. How to find nth roots of a complex numbers in polar form? Next, nth roots of a complex number in polar form. How to find nth roots of a complex number in polar form? Suppose z equal a plus ib. Z equal a plus ib. Be a complex number. Z equal a plus ib. Be a complex number. This is the complex numbers lies in first coordinate. O, P, M. ఇక్కడ argument of z theta. From triangle cos theta, OP length smaller. OP length smaller. Z equal a plus ib. This can be written as order by a comma b. OM length small a, PM length small b. P point A comma B. From the triangle cos theta equal A by R. From the triangle sin theta equal B by R. Cos theta equal A by R. Sin theta equal B by R. This can be written as A equal R cos theta, B equal R sin theta. Therefore, Z equal A plus IB equal small a value R cos theta plus I into B value R sin theta. Take common R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Z equal. This form is called polar form of a complex number. Z equal R into cos theta plus I sin theta is called a polar form of a complex number. Next, we find nth roots of a complex numbers. Z equal R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Nth roots of a complex numbers. Nth root of Z. Z power 1 by n. Both sides power 1 by n apply చేసేయండి. Both sides. Z power 1 by n equal R power 1 by n cos theta plus I into sin theta power 1 by n equal. Here theta is the argument of Z. Argument of Z. Theta is the argument of Z. If we find all the roots of a complex numbers, then add 2k pi to the argument theta. R power 1 by n. If we find all the roots of a complex number, then add 2k pi to the argument theta. Cos of 2k pi plus theta plus I into sin of 2k pi plus theta power 1 by n. Here theta is the argument of Z. 2k pi plus theta is the general form of a argument of a complex number. All roots find out cheyalante general form of a argument of complex number. Theta is the only one of the value of complex number. 2k pi plus theta is general form equal R power 1 by n into next apply d minus l cos of 2k pi plus theta into 1 by n plus I into sin of 2k pi plus theta into 1 by n. Here k equal 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n minus 1. N distinct roots 0 to n minus 1 n distinct roots వస్తాయి equal R power 1 by n into cos theta plus I sin theta cis 2k pi plus theta by n. K equal 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n minus 1. Suppose k equal 0 substitute చేసాం అనుకోండి ఒక రూట్ వస్తుంది. K equal 1 substitute చేస్తే సెకండ్ రూట్ వస్తుంది. K equal 2 substitute చేస్తే థర్డ్ రూట్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ అండ్ సో ఆన్ K equal n minus 1 substitute చేస్తే nth root వస్తుంది. So substitute K values, all values, then we find all the roots of a complex numbers. Here R equal root of a square plus b square power 1 by n cis 2k pi plus theta by n, where k equal 0, 1, 2 and so on n minus 1 are called nth roots of a complex numbers. Nth roots find out చేయాలంటే k values అన్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి 0 1 2 and so on n minus 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకి then we get nth roots of a complex numbers. Z power 1 by n. Next, nth roots of unity. Nth roots of unity. Nth roots of unity. And unity means 1. Nth roots of unity. Nth roots of unity. This is called nth roots of unity. Nth roots of unity. Let nth root of unity equal x implies 1 power 1 by n. 1 power 1 by n equal x implies both sides of power n apply this in. X power n equal 1. Then the solutions of x power n equal 1 are called nth roots of unity. Then the solutions of x power 1 equal 1 are called nth roots of unity. Unity means 1. Nth root of unity, nth root of 1. Suppose equal x. Nth root of 1 and 1 power 1 by n equal x. Both sides power n apply the same. X power n equal 1. Equation solutions say nth roots of unity. Next we find nth roots of unity. Now x power n equal 1. X power n equal 1 can be written as 1 plus I into 0. 1 can be written as 1 plus I into 0. This is of the form a plus ib. Write the complex number in polar form. Polar form. 1 ki polar form ఏమవుతుందంటే 1 కి polar form r into cos theta plus I sin theta. 1 అంటే ఇక్కడ 1 అంటే 1 plus I into 0. R వాల్యూ 1 అవుతుంది. రూట్ ఆఫ్ a square plus b square. 1 into theta అంటే 0. cos 0 plus I sin 0. cos 0 1 అవుతుంది. sin 0 0. 1 equal 1. ఇక్కడ argument of z 0. So 1 plus I0 can be written as cos 0 plus I into sin 0. Polar form. Next, if you find all the roots of a complex numbers, then add 2k pi to the argument theta. X power n equal cos of 2k pi plus 0 plus I sin of 2k pi plus 0 implies x equal cos of 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi. Both sides power 1 by n apply the same. Power 1 by n, both sides. Next we apply d minus 0. Cos 2k pi by n plus I sin 2k pi by n, where k equal 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n minus 1. N distinct roots. X equal cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta. e power I theta e power 2k phi by n, k equal 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n minus 1. Suppose k equal 0 substitute చేసాం అనుకోండి e power 0 అవుతుంది. k equal 1 substitute చేసాం అనుకోండి e power I 2 pi by n అవుతుంది. k equal 2 substitute చేసాం అనుకోండి e power I into 4 pi by n అవుతుంది. And so on. k equal n minus 1 substitute చేసాం అనుకోండి e power I into 2 into n minus 1 into pi by n. These are the roots. Roots are nth roots of unity e power 0, e power I into 2 pi by n, e power I into 4 pi by n and so on, e power I into 2 into n minus 1 into pi by n. These are denoted by e power 0 value 1. e power I 2 pi by n value alpha అనుకోండి. Suppose let e power I into 2 pi by n equal alpha. This is important point. e power I 2 pi by n equal alpha. So alpha e power I into 4 pi by n ఇది alpha square అవుతుంది. And so on. ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది? alpha power n minus 1 అవుతుంది. దీన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చంటే e power 2 pi by n whole square రాయొచ్చు. సో alpha square అవుతుంది. దీన్ని కూడా ఏం రాయొచ్చంటే e power 2 into pi by n power n minus 1 రాయొచ్చు. సో alpha power n minus 1 అవుతుంది. Therefore roots are 1 alpha square and so on alpha power n minus 1 అవుతుంది. These are called nth roots of unity, where alpha equal e power I into 2 pi by n. Next, nth roots of unity are 1 alpha square and so on alpha power n minus 1. Next important point, sum of nth roots of unity is 0. Sum of nth roots of unity is 0. nth roots of unity are 1 alpha square and so on alpha power n. వీటి సమ్ 0 అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. సో ఆ సమ్ ని Sn అనుకోండి. సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది nth roots ఈక్వల్ Sn. 1 plus alpha square plus and so on alpha power n minus 1 equal. Here we observe that the roots are in GP. Roots are in GP. GP means geometric progression. Second term by first term alpha, third term by second term alpha. Ratio equal గా ఉంటుంది. So the series is in GP. Next, sum of the series. This is a geometric series. In geometric series, the sum of nth roots formula a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. Here r is called common ratio. A is called first term. A is equal first term. R equal common ratio. Common ratio alpha. First term value 1. Common ratio alpha equal 1 into 1 minus r. R అంటే common ratio. అవునా? Alpha power n by 1 minus r. R అంటే alpha. Next, Sn equal 1 minus alpha power n by 1 minus alpha. 1 minus alpha value e power I into 2 pi by n. E power I into 2 pi by n power n. Alpha power n. by 1 minus alpha equal 1 minus ఇక్కడ n cancel e power I into 2 pi by 1 minus alpha 1 minus e power I theta Euler's formula e power I theta అంటే e power I theta equal cos theta plus I sin theta. This form is called Euler's form. Cos theta cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi by 1 minus alpha. Equal 1 minus cos 2 pi value 1 plus I into sin 2 pi value 0 by 1 minus alpha equal 1 minus 1 plus minus 0 by 1 minus alpha 0 by 1 minus alpha equal 0. Therefore, the sum of nth roots of unity 1 plus alpha square plus and so on alpha power n minus 1. Therefore, sum of nth roots of unity is 0. This is important point. Sum of nth roots of unity is 0. Next, product of nth roots of unity. Product of nth roots of unity. Nth roots of unity equal minus 1 power n minus 1 చెప్పి పోల్ చేయాలి. Product of nth roots of unity. Roots are 1 alpha square and so on alpha power n minus 1. These are called nth roots of unity. Product 1 into alpha square into and so on alpha power n minus 1. 1 can be written as alpha power 0, alpha into alpha square into and so on alpha power n minus 1. Here bases are equal, powers add అవుతాయి. Alpha power 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus and so on n minus 1. Alpha power sum of n minus 1 terms n into n plus 1 by 2. n minus 1 into n into by 2. Here alpha equal e power I into 2 pi by n equal alpha. E power I into 2 pi by n power n minus 1 into n by 2. 2 cancel, n also cancel. E power I into pi into n minus 1. This can be written as e power I theta. Euler's formula. E power I theta equal cos theta plus I sin theta. E power I theta cos pi into n minus 1 into plus I into sin pi into n minus 1. This can be written as Liouville's theorem. Cos theta plus I sin theta power n equal cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Cos theta cos pi plus I sin pi power n minus 1. Cos pi cos 180 minus 1 sin 180 0. కాబట్టి minus 1 power n minus 1. Cos 180 minus 1 sin 180 0. So minus 1 power n minus 1. The product of nth roots of unity equal to minus 1 power n minus 1. Next, cube roots of unity. Next, we find cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity. Cube root of 1. Cube roots of unity. Unity means 1. Cube root of unity. Suppose cube root of 1 equal x implies 1 power 1 by 3 equal x implies both sides cubing change. X cube equal 1. Then the solutions of x cube equal 1 are called cube roots of unity. Then the solutions of x cube equal 1 are called cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity, 3 roots unity. Next, we find cube roots of unity, roots. Now, x cube equal 1 implies x cube minus 1 equal 0 implies x cube minus 1 cube equal 0. A cube minus b cube formula. A cube minus b cube equal a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this can be written as x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 equal 0. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Next, this can be written as x minus 1 equal 0, x square plus x plus 1 equal 0. X equal to 1. This is one root. This is a quadratic equation. This equation contains two roots. Next, we find the remaining two roots. X equal to 1, x square plus x plus 1 equal 0. Directly we cannot find the roots by using formula x equal minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X equal minus b, ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. Compare it. A value 1, b value 1, c value 1. Minus 1 plus or minus root of b square 1 minus 4 into a value 1, c value 1 by 2a, 2 into 1. X equal minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 3 by 2. X equal minus 1 plus or minus. This can be written as 3 into I square. I square value minus 1 by 2. This can be written as minus 1 plus or minus I into root 3 by 2. Separate the roots. X equal minus 1 plus I into root 3 by 2, comma, x equal minus 1 minus I into root 3 by 2. Suppose take the first root, let omega equal minus 1 plus I into root 3 by 2. One of the root. Next, second root, take omega square minus 1 minus I into root 3 by 2. Omega value minus 1 plus I into root 3 by 2. Then square చేసి next value వస్తుంది. X equal 1. 1 ఒక రూట్, omega ఇంకొక రూట్, omega square third root. Therefore, roots are 1 omega square. 1 omega square. These roots are called cube roots of unity. cube roots of unity. Here some of the important points. One is one root of the equation, a cube root of unity. Omega is a root of the equation x square plus x plus 1 equals 0. Omega square is also root of the equation x square plus x plus 1 equals 0. If omega is a root of x square plus x plus 1 equals 0, then the condition is omega square plus omega plus 1 equals 0. Sum of the cube roots of unity is 0. Next point. Omega cube equals 1. Omega. దీని క్యూబింగ్ చేయండి వాల్యూ 1 వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 1 కామా ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్ ఆర్ ఇన్ జీపీ జామెట్రిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్. సెకండ్ టర్మ్ బై ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఒమేగా రేషియో కామా రేషియో. థర్డ్ టర్మ్ బై సెకండ్ టర్మ్ కామా రేషియో ఒమేగా. కామా రేషియో ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంటే ఆ సిరీస్ జామెట్రిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ లో ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే కొన్ని ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఆ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ని బట్టి మనం ప్రాబ్లం చేస్తాం. టు డిటర్మైన్ ద roots of a complex number, we follow four basic properties. Four basic properties. First point, roots of a complex numbers find out cheyalante four basic properties. First, write the complex number in polar form. First, complex numbers ni polar form lo marchali. Second point, add 2k pi to the argument theta. Argument theta ki 2k pi add cheyali. Endukante all roots find out cheyalante 2k pi plus theta anedi general form of argument of a complex number. Third point, apply de Moivre's theorem. Next ఏం చేయాలి? 2k పై యాడ్ చేసాక de Moivre's theorem అప్లై చేయాలి. Fourth point, put k equal 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n minus 1. అప్లై చేసాక ఆ k వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. Then to get nth roots of a complex number. Nth roots of a complex number. These are the four basic properties. 4 points important. Next we solve exercise problems. First problem, find the all values of minus I power 1 by 6 power 1 by 6 power 1 by 6 అంటే sixth roots are అన్నమాట. Sixth roots of minus I. Nth roots of a complex number. Here complex number minus I. 1 by 6 1 by n అంటే sixth roots of a complex number find out చేయాలి. 6 roots ఉంటాయి. ఆ 6 roots find out చేయాలి. First point z equal minus I complex number. ఫస్ట్ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ ని పోలార్ ఫామ్ లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. మైనస్ ఐ ని పోలార్ ఫామ్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఆర్ ఇంటూ కాస్ థీటా ప్లస్ ఐ సైన్ థీటా. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఐ అంటే 0 మైనస్ ఐ. ఆర్ వాల్యూ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్. అవునా? ఎంత వస్తుంది? 1 వస్తుంది ఆర్ వాల్యూ. నెక్స్ట్ మైనస్ ఐ ని పోలార్ ఫామ్ ఏమవుతుందంటే కాస్ థీటా ప్లస్ ఐ సైన్ థీటా. కాస్ పై ప్లస్ ఐ సైన్ పై. కాస్ పై 180 మైనస్ 1 సైన్ పై 0 మైనస్ ఐ కి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది. సారీ పోలార్ ఫామ్ కాస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ పై బై 2 ప్లస్ ఐ సైన్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ పై బై 2. కాస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ పై బై 2 అంటే కాస్ పై బై 2. కాస్ పై బై 2 కాస్ 90 0 sin of minus pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2 sin 90 ఎంత 1 minus 1 into I minus I ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఎంత అవుతుందంటే మైనస్ పై బై 2 అవుతుంది. ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఎంత? మైనస్ పై బై 2. cos 90 0 sin of minus pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2 sin 90 1 into minus I ఈక్వల్. మైనస్ I కి పోలార్ ఫామ్ ఇది. 1 की पोलर फॉर्म cos 0 plus I sin 0 1 की. minus 1 की पोलर फॉर्म cos pi plus I sin pi. I की पोलर फॉर्म I की cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. minus I की पोलर फॉर्म cos of minus pi by 2 plus I sin of minus pi by 2. ఈ అన్ని కేసుల్లో కూడా ఆర్ వాల్యూ 1 అవుతుంది. ఆర్ ఇంటూ కాస్ థీటా ప్లస్ ఐ థీటా ఆర్ వాల్యూ 1 అవుతుంది. సో మైనస్ ఐ కి పోలార్ ఫామ్ ఇది. జెడ్ ఈక్వల్ మైనస్ ఐ ఈక్వల్ కాస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ పై బై 2 ప్లస్ ఐ సైన్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ పై బై 2. నెక్స్ట్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ పవర్ 1 by 6 తీసుకోండి. మైనస్ ఐ power 1 by 6 equal cos of minus pi by 2 plus I sin of minus pi by 2 power 1 by 6. 1 by 6 means sixth roots of a complex numbers. అంటే 6 roots ఉంటాయి. ఆ 6 roots ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ పోలార్ ఫామ్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేశాక add 2k pi to the argument theta. ఇక్కడ theta అంటే minus pi by 2. minus pi by 2 కి 2k pi యాడ్ చేయాలి. 2k pi యాడ్ చేస్తే ఆల్ సొల్యూషన్స్ వస్తాయి. cos of 2k pi minus pi by 2 plus I sin of 2k pi minus pi by 2 power 1 by 6. cos of LCM తీసుకోండి. 2k pi minus pi by 2 4k pi minus pi by 2 plus I sin of 4k pi minus pi by 2 power 1 by 6. cos of pi common thing 4k minus 1 into pi by 2 plus I sin of 4k minus 1 into pi by 2. Power 1 by 6. నెక్స్ట్ డి మైనస్ అప్లై చేసేయండి. డి మైనస్ అప్లై చేయడం అంటే ఇక్కడ 1 by 6 మల్టిప్లై చేసేయండి. cos of 4k minus 1 into pi by 2 into 1 by 6 plus I sin of 4k minus 1 into pi by 2 into 1 by 6. ఇక్కడ k వాల్యూ 0 1 2 3 n minus 1 కదా, n అంటే 6 అంటే 6 minus 1 5 and so on 5. k వాల్యూ 0 1 2 3 and so on 5. Next, cos of 4k minus 1 into pi by 12 plus I sin of 4k minus 1 into pi by 12. K equal 0, 1, 2 and so on 5. Cos theta plus I sin cis లో చేంజ్ చేసేయండి. Cis of 4k minus 1 into pi by 12. K equal 0, 1, 2 and so on 5. K value 0 substitute చేస్తే ఒక రూట్ వస్తుంది. K value 1 substitute చేస్తే సెకండ్ రూట్ వస్తుంది. K value 2 substitute చేస్తే నెక్స్ట్ రూట్ వస్తుంది. K value 5 substitute చేస్తే లాస్ట్ రూట్స్ వస్తుంది. Then we get sixth roots. Therefore, these roots are called sixth roots of a complex number minus a. Sixth roots of a complex number minus a. First, complex number ని polar form లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. polar form లో కన్వర్ట్ చేశాక ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ థీటాకి 2k పై యాడ్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ డివైజర్ అప్లై చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ k వాల్యూస్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే దెన్ వి గెట్ రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్. Next problem, find the all values of minus 16 power 1 by 4. Minus 16 power 1 by 4. Power 1 by 4 అంటే fourth roots of a complex number. అంటే 4 roots వస్తాయి, అవి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. Now we consider minus 16 equal, minus 16 can be written as 16 into minus 1. This can be written as 16 into minus 1 ki polar form that. Minus 1 ki polar form అవుతుందంటే cos pi plus I sin pi. Sin pi 0, cos 180 minus 1. Minus 1 equal to minus. Cos pi plus I sin pi. Next, apply power 1 by 4 on both sides. Minus 16 power 1 by 4 equal 16 power 1 by 4 cos pi I sin pi power 1 by 4. 16 here is 4 square. 2 power 4 out. 2 power 4 whole power 4 cos pi plus I sin pi whole power 4 1 by 4. 4 cancel 2 into next theta ki 2k by add చేయండి. 2k by add చేస్తే we get all the roots of a complex number. Cos of 2k pi plus pi plus I into sin of 2k pi plus pi whole power 1 by 4. 2 into cos of pi common thing. 2k plus 1 into pi plus I into sin of 2k plus 1 into pi power 1 by 4. 2 into next divisor apply చేసేయండి. divisor apply చేస్తే cos of 2k plus 1 into pi into 1 by 4, pi by 4 plus I sin 2k plus 1 into pi by 4. K equal 1 by 4. 1 by n, k equal 0, 1, 2, 3. n minus 1 కదా, లాస్ట్ వాల్యూ 3 వస్తుంది. k equal 0, 1, 2, 3. 2 into cos theta plus sin theta. Cis లో చేంజ్ అయ్యింది. 2 into cis 2k plus 1 into 5 by 4. k equal 0, 1, 2, 3. k equal 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం అనుకోండి, ఒక రూట్ వస్తుంది. k equal 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి సెకండ్ రూట్, k equal 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి థర్డ్ రూట్, k equal 3 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ఫోర్త్ రూట్. సో దెన్ we get all the roots of a complex number. Next problem. If a comma b comma c are angles of a triangle, if a comma b comma c are angles of a triangle such that x equal cca, y equal cis b, z equal cis c, then find the value of x into y into z. Find the value of x into y into z. If a comma b comma c are angles of a triangle such that x equals cc, cc and cos a plus I sin a, y equals cis b, cis b means cos b plus I sin b, z equals cis c and cos c plus I sin c. Find the value of x into y into z. Now x into y into z equal cis a into cis b into cis c. We know that cis theta 1 into cis theta 2 equal cis of theta 1 plus theta 2. Cis theta 1 into cis theta 2 equal cis of theta 1 plus theta 2. Cis a into cis b into cis c equal cis of a plus b plus c. Cis of a comma b comma c are angles of a triangle కాబట్టి sum of the angles ఎంత అవుతుంది? Sum of the angles equal 180. So a plus b plus c equal 180. Cis theta అంటే cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos 180 plus I sin 180. Cos 180 value minus 1 plus I into sin 180 value 0 equal minus 1. Therefore x into y into z equal minus 1. Next problem. Next problem. If x equals cis theta, then find the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. So if x equal cis theta, then find the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. X equals cis theta means cos theta plus I sin theta. cos theta plus I sin theta. X power 6 equal cos theta plus I sin theta power 6. Apply D minus theorem. Cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. X power 6. Next, 1 by x power 6 equal 1 by x power 6 equal cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta. 1 by x power 6 equal అవుతుంది cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta. Therefore, x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 equal cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta. I sin 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta cancel. Cos 6 theta plus cos 6 theta. 2 cos 6 theta. The value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 equal 2 cos 6 theta.